Hi everyone, welcome to day 7, the final day of Mega Unboxing Week. But today we're not unboxing anything, it's all about you guys. We are going to talk about the giveaway winners for the mini giveaways. So there will be 6 winners announced, and then we will go over the 2 mega giveaways. This video is going to be short. Normally when I say that it's like a joke, but yeah, we're gonna make it short because I'm tired. Look, I put together a desk. Well, I did not, my friend did, but I stayed up when they did. So it's not fully together yet. I don't know how this lighting and everything is going, but thank you guys for such an amazing week. It's been so great. I've loved reading the comments. I know I need to catch up on actually responding to them and stuff. I have been reading them. You guys are amazing. So right before filming this, I did screen record the winners. So I'm not gonna make any cuts or anything. I'm just gonna play that and have you guys see who won. So for the mini giveaways, I guess I should kind of do the fact of the day first, shouldn't I? It's not going to be about me. I don't know about you guys. I'm sure there's some of you out there. I'm kind of sick about talking about me, looking at me, hearing about me this week. Not that I'm self-hating. It's just been a lot of me. I know a lot of videos have been long and stuff. That's one of the reasons why we're going to make it short today. But the fact of the day, there's, I guess, 3. 1, you guys are amazing. I love you. And 2, I think 2, I was going to tell you that this is going to be short. I don't know, because not only did we have a bunch of long videos the past few days, the past week, the next video I plan to film is going to be going over the FabFitFun spring spoilers in full. I haven't even looked at it all yet. Mostly because I've been focusing on Mega Unboxing Week. So I am either going to post that tomorrow or the day after, depending on how long it takes. If you guys are unfamiliar, didn't see my last ones, the past few seasons, I like to go more in depth. I kind of look into the products, and so I can give my point of view on what I want to select and what may be good for you. I'm so curious to see. I think I did see some pictures in an email I got today, but I can't believe it's that time, February 5th for annual members, I know. So the video at least will be for sure up by February 5th, which is it'll be sooner because I'm really excited to look at it and dive into that. I love those. And then what was my third? I don't know. Maybe that was all together. I'm tired. So yeah. Yeah, we'll just say that the third one is I'm tired, but it's only because I stayed up making this desk so I can again, watching someone make this desk. So I can get ahead on everything else in life. But yeah, so I'm gonna play that screen recording from my computer, picking the winners now. I don't know if my voice will carry over the whole time. Again, I'm not gonna make any cuts and make it fit perfectly, but I'll start running that now if I haven't already. So there were 6 winners, 1 in each of the past 6 videos, and I asked you guys specific questions, but I said anyone that commented be able to win. And so I randomly selected them, and the first person that popped up won. So for those winners, their prizes are going to be surprises. So I think that's fun. I love surprise stuff. I hope you guys do too. So those will be smaller prizes. They'll still be good for sure, don't get me wrong. So if you won, I am going to go and pin your comment, but if you're watching this, definitely make sure to email me, kittiesboxes@gmail.com, your shipping information. I know 2 of the winners, I already have their shipping confirmation. I was really excited to see both of their names, everyone's names, but yeah, of course everyone's names. Sorry, I don't mean to be, that sounds a little rude, but I'm happy for everyone. And if you're not a winner in the mini giveaways, don't worry, there will be 2 winners for the big giveaways. So there's going to be a YouTube winner and an Instagram winner, and I plan on posting the Instagram post tonight, hopefully. I'm going to do it when the video is uploading, this video that I'm filming now that you're watching. So hopefully it's up. So I am Kitty's Boxes on Instagram. So for both of the giveaways, it's pretty simple. You have to be following me. I guess I'll only talk about the YouTube one now. I'll focus on the Instagram giveaway in that post, but it's pretty much the same thing. So I didn't really specify any rules for the 6 mini giveaways, but I just assume the people commenting and being really active are subscribed. But definitely for the mega giveaway, so this is going to be going on for a month. Make sure you're subscribed. Not only because I want this to be for those who participate in subscribers, also so I can notify you easier. If you're subscribed, you'll get a notification and also be able to message me if it's the Instagram one. And please like this video, and then most importantly, I mean, you have to do all of them, but leave a comment down below. You can come back and comment daily if you like, but I'm gonna do that random comment picker like I did with the 6 mini giveaways to pick the winner. So yeah, so you can come back. This is gonna go throughout the whole month of February, so it's going to end February 28th. And yeah, today's the 31st, so the whole month, and then I will pick a winner on March 1st or 2 winners, so the YouTube winner and the Instagram winner. And I always ask if you can, just to make sure you watch the videos in full and share with family and friends if you want to. That's helpful. But for this giveaway, I also ask that you were an active participant in all the giveaways, or not the giveaways, all of the videos this week. Just leave a comment or something, and you have a whole month, so I know it's a lot. All the videos were over a half hour, I believe, so I know you guys are busy, you have lives, so you have a whole month to catch up, just because I think that's only fair for those who've been here all week, leaving comments, watching long videos. So I'm just gonna check, to see that you at least commented on a couple of videos when I draw your name and followed all the other rules. Am I missing anything? God, I love having a desk. I think that's everything, right? I know I'm more tired than usual. It's mostly because I was just trying to get ahead. But I think that's it. Is this the shortest video I've ever filmed? No, it's not it, because I didn't even show you the prizes. I was like, something big is missing. So I am going to show a photo on the screen. Let me get my phone up. Because instead of just picking out each individual item out of the bags I put together. So for these 2 giveaway winners, there are less items than in my 11K giveaway and past giveaways, but I think they're higher quality in price, and also there are a lot more makeup items than usual. I think since I was doing my declutter, I stopped taking in so much makeup. So as of now, there's 11 to 12 products in each of the prize packages. So I will definitely add some more things in. I'm just gonna stuff a flat rate full. So they're pretty stuffed right now. God, I'm laughing at my perv mind right now. And there'll be room for a few other things. I just wanted to make sure, because I know in the next month there's gonna be some things I wanna give away as well. But I think they're good ones. So, less stuff, but I think high quality stuff, well-known brands, and I'm really excited to share with you. So how about we start off going over the prizes for the YouTube winner. So here is what it looks like. Sorry if the image isn't clear. I'm gonna cover up the whole screen, but I'm just gonna go through it really quick. So we have the Billion Dollar Brows, the Best Brow Toolkit. And just side note, each of these prize packages has makeup, beauty tools, 1 piece of jewelry, and some skincare. So this one has the Best Brow Toolkit, and then it has a bracelet, and the Thrive Cosmetics Aurora highlighting stick, the Fenty Beauty mascara, the Ciate London Stamp and Drag eyeliner, and what I think is really exciting is the Bailey Syrian, what is it called? Venice Fling palette that was with the State Cosmetics. I picked that up a little while ago. I was waiting for a giveaway to put that in. I actually used that palette yesterday on my eyes in yesterday's video. And another beauty tool we have, one of those God, I can't speak to it. Can I speak ever? A cleansing tool, so it's not like a Foreo, but it's kind of like that. And then by Good Molecules, the discoloration corrector serum. There is a matte lip gloss. There's a highlighting palette by Space Cosmetics, I believe. And then there is a Luxie brush set. So I thought that was good. And then again, there'll be some other little things thrown in, but those are the main components for the winner of the YouTube. And then for Instagram, let's pull that up now. Here is overall view. So kind of similar layout, with how many items in each category, like I already talked about. So we have the Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, the Saturday Skin Peel. It's that mask I talked about. You rub on your face for a minute or so, and it takes off all the dead skin cells. There's the Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara. I have 2 eyeliners. There's one black felt tip eyeliner, and then by Pixie, a goldish brown one. And for the eyeshadow palette, it's the Moods by Laura Sanchez. And I have a lip gloss by, what's that brand? I can't remember right now. I'll put it on the screen or something. And then what I think is really exciting is 2 Kosas products. So I actually used the face palette. It's like 2. There's a blush and a highlight. They're cream. It's called 8th Muse. I somehow accidentally ordered 3. So 1 I have, 1's going to you, and 1 is going to Southern Mom or Nikki. I realized I didn't send her a package I meant to send a long time ago. Sorry. And then there's a Kosas lipstick, like a bullet lipstick. It's a red shade. I think it's really pretty. And there's some Baddington lashes. There's a set of 2 lashes in there and some lash glue. There's some pretty earrings and then a whole manicure kit. So that is everything that the Instagram winner will get, along with any surprise items. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. I hope you're excited about these. Like I said, it's definitely more makeup than the past, because usually I get my fingers in all the makeup and use them, so I can't pass them on in giveaways, at least, maybe to like friends, but I accumulate skincare more because I don't open it all at the same time. So I'm being better about the makeup so I can share with you guys. I hope you like it. Congratulations to our 6 winners of the mini giveaways. I will start shipping your stuff out as I hear from you this week. And thank you guys again for such a great week. Sorry if I'm like ending it on like lower energy. I feel like the longer this video goes, the more I'm like coming to life. So thank you for that. Also, I just happen to come alive at night anyways, even if I'm tired all day. And is there anyone else like that, like out there? I can't figure it out. I think I'm like slowly morphing into a cat. I don't know, but that makes sense. Don't they sleep a lot more, but they're awake at night? I don't know. See, delirious, but that is nothing new. But I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you enjoyed the giveaway prize packages. And I meant to say this earlier, if you won one of the mini giveaways, you're still eligible to win one of the main prizes. You'd be one lucky duck, but yeah, it's still possible. I think that is fair. I'm looking over here to see if there's anything I forgot, but there's still stuff left over. I have gotten rid of so much though. The pile I have over here is so much less, and it's crazy. Like, so, but don't worry, is my point. There are many more giveaways coming. I love giving back to you guys, and this is my way of saying thank you, how much I appreciate you and love you so much. You guys really are my friends, and I look forward to talking to you every day. Like, you seriously like lifted me up like throughout this video. I wasn't like down, but I was just tired, you know. And now I'm feeling like, yes, I can't wait to get this video up, which is late because it's 8:10. But I guess it won't take too long to edit because I've only had this up for 13 minutes, and I think the screen recording is only like 2 minutes or something. But and again, the background will look different next time. I don't know if I'll film here. I have to see how it works. I didn't just put random stuff from around the room. Of course, Pac had to come over with me. And yes, I'm drinking coffee at 8 p.m. Some cat pictures and stuff, but I love it. It's such a nice working space, but we'll talk about this more when I do the like tour video, which now will be coming soon, especially since I have 0 boxes here right now, but I'm supposed to get 5 tomorrow, and we're doing the 5th fun spoilers. And look at me, I just want to keep talking to you guys now that I have you. But yeah, I'll link the desk down below if you guys are interested, but I'll talk about that more when that video happens pretty soon, I think. Anyways, thank you guys again. Love you for the millionth time. Have a great night or day whenever you're watching this, and good luck. See you in the next video. Bye.